income tax raids that are being conducted against a few realtors and businessmen in Hubballi. This is the news report coming in from Karnataka, and according to some sources, one of them is said to be an aide of the former Chief Minister and a now Congress party leader, Jagdish Shettar. Deepak, good morning. What more do we know?
At this point in time, but the information that we have gathered from our sources is that yesterday there were searches that were carried out in Hubballi. And these searches predominantly, there were businessmen and realtors who income tax officials searched. Now, more importantly, during that, we've been told that, one of them is known to Mr. Jagdish Shettar, especially because elections around the corner, these issues tend to become political. And we, in fact, had a word off the record with Mr. Jagdish Shettar. Of course, he does not say that anyone is a close aide, but he says everyone is known to him. So we'll, of course, have to get clarity from him later on in the day when he wants to, in fact, speak about this issue to probably give us more clarity on what exactly is, the situation. Now, more importantly, who are these people? What exactly are their links directly to any of the political personalities here? These are also details we await. But definitely, in Hubballi, these searches happening, could have political ramifications.
Right, exactly. That is something that talk about. In fact, would there be any political linkages as well, as far as this individual is said to be close to the former Chief Minister and a now Congress party leader? Exactly, in different locations are we talking about these raids taking place in Hubballi, or is it just restricted to those individuals?
Well, as of now, about exactly the locations is not very clear. We are waiting for more clarity coming in from the income tax officials. But we do know that in a few places in Hubballi, these searches were carried out. And we should also note that as far as the income tax officials is concerned, for the last few days, they have been, of course, carrying out multiple searches. Even in Chennai as well, there were some searches that did take place. So this is going to be interesting, of course, as to what sort of a link emerges here and whether it's political in nature.
Well, we don't know if that was different in nature here, Deepak, because there were at least 50 plus locations that were searched by the Income Tax Department yesterday, and that happened across the state of Tamil Nadu. Remains to be seen if that is being linked to the Karnataka searches and the raids as well, because here is the Income Tax Department. Deepak, has there been previous such raids being taken upon by the Income Tax Department in other parts of Karnataka just few days ago?
Yes, we saw some searches on KGF Babu, former Congress leader, who, of course, has his wife now contest independently from one of the constituencies in Bangalore. We've, of course, seen some searches, of course, by the income tax officials in terms of routine cases as well. So the income tax department continues its searches in different parts of Karnataka as and when required, and if there is any sort of information.
All right. So income tax officials raiding Hubballi, a businessman, as it is now being suggested, one of those businessmen is allegedly close to Jagdish Shettar. This is the source-based information that we are breaking for our viewers. Mr. S. Prakash of the BJP is with us. Sir, today the income tax raids are happening in Karnataka and against businessmen. One of them is said to be close to Jagdish Shettar. Would you believe it will have political implications, sir?
No, we should not look at it the political angle, whatever the incident that takes place. Just because Karnataka is going to polls, we cannot say the income tax department should not indulge in any raids, should not search anyone. Even if they have evaded tax, they should be let off. They are discharging their duties. If there is anything with wrongdoing, they have to suffer. If there is no wrongdoing, they will let them present the account and it ends the matter. Let us not give political color to every activity of the government department.
All right. We'll get a Congress party reaction on the same. Thank you very much, Mr. S. Prakash and Deepak, for joining in. So these are the raids that are